In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Leonardo AI in just 5 minutes, making the process smooth and straightforward. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open your browser and head over to leonardo.ai. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you're comfortable with. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the website's layout. You'll notice a clean interface that makes navigation very intuitive. Once you're on the Leonardo AI homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a sign up button. It's easily spotted. Clicking on this button is your next step. By doing so, you'll be initiating the process to create your account, which is exciting because it's your gateway to all the fantastic features Leonardo AI offers. Upon clicking sign up, you'll be presented with several sign-in methods. Typically, you can choose from options like email, Google, Facebook, or other platforms, depending on your preference. Selecting your preferred method will guide you through the relevant prompts. For those opting for email, you'll be asked to provide some basic information to set up your account. Entering your basic details is crucial. You'll need to type in information like your full name, email address, and a password that you'll remember easily, but is also strong enough to protect your account. Crafting a solid password is key here. Consider combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for the best security. Once you've filled out the necessary details, the next step is to verify your email. You should receive a verification email in the inbox of the address you provided during the sign-up process. Be sure to check your junk or spam folders if it doesn't appear immediately. Click on the verification link provided in that email. This crucial step confirms your email address and activates your new account. With email verification complete, you can proceed to log into Leonardo AI. Enter your email and password, and you should have access. Now, you're inside the platform, but there's one more thing to do: setting up your workspace. This is where you can tailor the environment to best suit your workflow, ensuring you utilize Leonardo AI's features optimally. And there you have it. You're all set up with Leonardo AI, ready to explore and use all the tools it provides. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has clarified the process for you. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be up and running, ready to take advantage of what Leonardo AI has to offer. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your journey with this fantastic tool.